In his book Darwin's Black Box, biochemist Michael Bay introduces the concept of irreducible complexity, proposing that specific biological systems demonstrate this quality. By irreducibly complex, I mean a single system composed of several well-matched, interacting parts that contribute to the basic function, wherein the removal of any one of the parts causes the system to effectively cease functioning. Behe writes. Behe uses the bacterial flagellum as a prime instance of an irreducibly complex system. This whip-like structure, functioning as a rotary motor, enables bacteria to navigate through their liquid environment and stands out as one of the remarkable and extensively researched nanomachines. The flagellum demonstrates irreducible complexity. Removing components such as the filament, motor stator unit, MS ring, C ring, Ch rotor, or the secretion system results in the loss of its motility function. Due to the flagellum's length, building it inside the cell cytoplasm and then moving it externally is unfeasible. Instead, the flagellum is assembled in situ on the outer surface of the cell membrane. The type 3 secretion system plays a crucial role in this process, facilitating the bottom-up construction of the flagellum. The filament, resembling a whip, is hollow and formed by pumping the protein flagellin through the filament, adding to its extending distal end. Picture a smokestack being erected, where bricks are carried up inside and placed at the top. This secretion mechanism is also present in the needle-like injectosome, employed by certain bacteria to introduce proteins into eukaryotic host cells. Striking similarities between these systems. In response to the concept of irreducible complexity in the flagellum, some evolutionists argue that the injectosome's existence, which is simpler than the flagellum, suggests that the flagellum could be reduced and still function effectively. However, there are two significant flaws in this argument. Firstly, the injectosome isn't just a scaled-down version of the flagellum. It includes additional components like SCTC, SCTD, SCTI, and SCTK that are absent in the flagellum. Secondly, crucially, the injectosome lacks functionality as a motility device. Irreducible complexity dictates that a system loses its fundamental function when components are removed. In the case of the flagellum, this essential function is motility. Similar to many human-made machines, the flagellum consists of subsystems with specific functions that collectively contribute to its overall purpose. Highlighting these subsystem functions does not negate the flagellum's irreducible complexity. Analogously, criticizing the irreducible complexity of the flagellum based on the secretion system is akin to arguing that a car isn't irreducibly complex because it contains a fuel injection pump similar to that of a motorcycle. In essence, critics who use the secretion system to dispute the irreducible complexity of the flagellum reveal a misunderstanding of the very concept they seek to challenge.